Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Interesting English Class. So guys, today I'm going to make tea. So let's get started. It is one of the most popular hot beverages in world and especially in India. So first of all, I'm going to add take for half cup of water. Then I will add 1 cup of milk. Now first of all, I'm going to turn on the gas stove. So guys, my mother-in-law a lot of dependent on a tea. She can't live without tea. She when get up early morning, so she wants to tea. So let that boil. I have kept on the gas stove, and now I'm going to add tea leaves, two 2 spoon, 2.5. Many people who are dependent on tea, but I don't. Sometimes I have it, but it is not in my habit. So let that boil, and so I will keep the flame low, otherwise that will boil over. So guys, many people who are dependent on tea, but I don't like that. Sometimes I drink that. So now I'm going to add sugar. So 3 spoon. So 3 spoon sugar. So guys, sometimes you can use this. You can take this. Not every day. Don't take in your habit, because everything has a limit. So this is a mode and pressure. So first of all, I will crush it, ginger. So it is give a nice flavor in tea. So I like ginger in tea, and also cardamom shade. So it is a grater. So you can grate that ginger in by a grater. And guys, I have now I'm going to add ginger, crushed ginger. Let that boil. So guys, everything has a limit, so we should not take every day. It is don't keep in your habit. My auntie also take tea every day. She also can't live without tea. This is a cup, 2 cups, and this is a tea strainer. So now I'm going to strain the tea. In my home, my mother-in-law only like tea. So now I'm going to turn off the gas, and then I will strain the tea. So I have held in my hand mobile, so that's why I can't strain properly. So now I have strained the tea. Now you can take also, guys. So thank you so much